We're going to replace the speakers and we're going to take the door panel apart, of course.
Oh.
The first thing is to remove this panel behind this release handle. Then there's another panel right by the door handle right there. And it should be 7 mils.
No.
Oh no, Torx.
Number 30.
Number 30. Okay, so Torx number 30. You don't have a drill?
I don't have extension.
You don't have an extension?
No.
Why not?
You got? Sell me.
No, I'm not selling. Home Depot.
Sell me.
Use a panel popper. Start it from the side corner. These are very tight. Those clips are kind of impossible to get it out without breaking it, but it comes out. Thing up.
Please have something.
Can you take this out?
No.
No, that doesn't come out. Yeah, so it's very tight. You just pull all the way around and you pull it upward. This side upward, then disconnect the release handles. Disconnect these. Wouldn't it be easier if you take these out? Right here? You see? Why not go for the easier ways? Now, that's how you get the door panel out. As you can see, this is about 2 inches thick extension here, spacer they call it, because when the glass comes down, it's going to hit the magnet. So GM decided to put 2-inch extension here, so speaker sits further out. Metra sells this extension spacer. We don't have it, so here's how we're going to do it. So once you have this one, can you take this out? So you just pull this upward. There's a lip here. So as you can see, the glass is right down here. So if you try to put the speaker on, you're going to hit the glass. So that's not going to work out. So I'm going to show you the trick. So obviously, easier way to get the Metra's extension spacer, but we don't have it. So what you do is cut off this surround and get rid of this paper cone. Now once you have this one out, you flip it here. There is a plastic that's holding on to the basket here. So you get one of these cutting wheel or wire cutters, cut these off, and we're going to use this as a spacer. You just cut off all the plastic inside. You should wear safety glasses like us. See? So you get this basket out. Now you have this spacer. And you're going to mount the new speaker onto the basket, original basket right here. Alright, so we are using an Alpine speaker. You're just going to make your own hole, self-tapping screws. What is wrong with you? Notice we didn't tighten the screw initially. Once you have the screws on, then you tighten the last one.
Alright. Then I'll...
So we already cut the wires off and put the interface plug right there. It. Simple as that. Good as new. We don't have to use a spacer. We just cut off the basket from the original one, mount the new speaker onto it, you're good to go. Alright. Put everything back together. Can you put that? Yeah. No, this has to be on.
I never forgot.
Everything on?
Yes. Don't worry, I am here.
That's why I worry. Sometime today is good, no rush.
Yeah, no rush.
Make sure you line up all the clips behind before you push in. Otherwise you'll break the clips. So what you're doing is you put your finger behind the door panel, line up the holes, and push back in. Screws back in, put the panel back on, you're good to go. You need a better power drill. That thing is slow.
Mañana. I am getting drill.
Yeah?
Yeah.